This is an example of a special kind of trinomial called a trinomial square. Now, first thing I want to just let you know that if you don't want to remember a new process, anytime you have a trinomial, the AC method will completely work, and you do not have to do this. But if you want to be able to recognize a trinomial square and save a little time, here's how you do it. The clue that this might be a trinomial square is that the first and the lasts are both perfect squares. 16 is 4 times 4, and 49 is 7 times 7. One more thing has to be true for it to be a trinomial square. I'm going to take the 4, because 4 times 4 is 16, times the 7, because 7 times 7 is 49, and that equals 28. If 4 times 7, if whatever the square root of this is times the square root of that, if those two things multiplied is exactly half of the middle, then you have yourself a trinomial square. And 28 is half of 56. Now, I know this seems kind of complicated, but after you've done a couple and you get good at recognizing it, it'll probably be a lot easier. But once you have recognized that it is a trinomial square, here's how you factor it. 16x squared is 4x times 4x. 49 is going to be 7 times 7. The signs have to both be negative. And the reason it's called a trinomial square is 4x minus 7 times itself is what gives me this. So I'm going to write that 4x minus 7 squared. And there is my fully factored expression.